Back in my engineering days, we had to submit large drawings for our machine design assignments. We were given 2 weeks to finish them, yet somehow we always ended up doing them the night before the deadline. It was a fun college hack, but in real world, the last minute rush doesn't always work. Delaying tasks until the final hour creates unnecessary stress and leads to rushed results. Take the example of the Titanic. The Titanic's crew received multiple iceberg warnings throughout the day on April 14, 1912. However, they did not take urgent action, assuming the ship was unsinkable. No slowdown was ordered until minutes before the impact. The result? The Titanic struck an iceberg at full speed and sank, causing the death of over 1,500 passengers. This last-minute rush is not always helpful. Sometimes it brings disaster. Instead, if we do proper planning, we can avoid chaos and achieve success. One of the best examples of this is Toyota's story. Toyota's lean manufacturing system, also known as the Toyota Production System, focus on eliminating waste in production, continuous improvement, that is Kaizen, careful planning of supply chain and inventory. The result? Toyota became one of the most efficient and profitable car companies in the world. But what if you didn't need a deadline to get things done quickly and effectively? By setting your own deadlines and focusing on what matters most, you can create urgency before the real deadline arrives. Our mind often tricks us into thinking, there's still time, relax. But before you know it, time runs out and panic takes over. The solution? Create urgency before urgency finds you. Set shorter deadlines, eliminate distractions, and push yourself to focus on high-impact tasks. But here's the catch. Just setting deadlines isn't enough. When faced with a big goal, we often get overwhelmed and procrastinate even more. The secret is to break that big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Brent Tracy shares a brilliant example in Eat That Frog about crossing a Sahara Desert. Travelers struggled with the vast endless landscape until someone came up with a simple idea, placing oil barrels every 5 kilometers. Instead of stressing about the entire journey, travelers only had to focus on reaching the next marker. That's the secret. When you focus only on what's right in front of you, the path ahead suddenly feels less overwhelming. That's exactly how you should approach big goals. Don't fixate on the finish line. Instead, focus on the next step, then the next and the next. Each small win builds momentum, and before you know it, you have conquered the entire challenge. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one important task today, set a 30 minutes timer and push yourself to finish it. No distractions allowed. You will be surprised how much you get done. So, by breaking down big goals into smaller steps, you can beat procrastination and achieve massive success. In my previous videos, I shared the ABCDE method, a powerful technique to stop procrastination and skyrocket productivity. Don't miss it. Link in the description. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. Have a wonderful day.